ways of getting data into and out of your Altium Designer project, and the most comprehensive set of outputs are available and configurable in the Output Job file editor. Output jobs allow the user to predefine and configure sets of fabrication, assembly, and documentation outputs for sending the completed design instructions for manufacturing. There are also several different types of reports which can be added: bill of materials, pick and place files, and more. The scope of outputs that can be created is practically unlimited thanks to the ability of output jobs to run user scripts. As an example, let's take a look at this Agile BOM generator script. This script has a visual form which allows the user to configure the script execution parameters. But since this will also execute from an output job file, there needs to be a way for Altium Designer to run the script in a sort of configuration mode, so that when the batch output job runs, the user does not have to interact with it. This is achieved by adding a function called configure to the script. This configure function first calls an initialization procedure which ensures the script is running within a valid project, and that any global variables are correctly initialized. Then the setStateFromParameters and getStateFromParameters system procedures are called to execute the script dialog and gather the script parameters from the user, which are then saved in the output job file for batch execution later on. The configure function is called any time you select the script in the output job file and choose configure from the right-click menu. Another script entry point must be provided for the execution in batch mode when the output job runs. This entry point is provided by the generate procedure, shown here. Generate simply recalls the execution parameters from the output job file with setStateFromParameters and continues to execute the script by calling the user-defined main procedure, in this case generate BOM. This procedure may be named differently in your script. In this example, the Agile BOM procedure is provided as another entry point for manual execution of the script outside of the output job file, so the script can be used standalone as well. When the output job is executed, the text files or other outputs generated by the script are stored in the Project Outputs folder under a subfolder named Script. For more details on creating scripts for output job execution, take a look at this Agile BOM generator script example, which you can download from the content section of Altium Live. Also check out the Altium wiki page on additional output generators.